Come like you don't know who you are dealing with. What do you mean my name wasn't no good for you?
It's what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. Is this good for me?
Oh, Siki, sorry. No.
No man, that's why you're playing to good man.
Yeah, really now, man. Nobody business. Come back. Come back. That's a tough if you. Look, you're good man. Come
A real Jamaican security.
You ready now? Ready, Javi? Ready. And action.
One day I said to you. I'm coach.
Okay.
My name again. Del back. Come in. Alright, so come on aside.
What's your name?
That's Denver. Denver don't they call me.
Where you park?
Hello.
Even.
Look like you have a foot for running, so.
Yeah, with the trucks.
Lie, really?
Yeah.
I'm Coach Denver, you know. I'm the head coach down by the University of the Ups Indies.
Sorry, wait, what?
If that's possible, but that's all.
If you don't forget the scholarship.
That's all. You don't need nothing to do nothing more. Front with extra, with little extra on the top. You know what I'm saying? All right. So if I know,
We need to do the part when we take out my phone.
like, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Right. So when I come out now, you say me I got me. I tell you say me I come out.
Me, I'll probably just come back to you again and say, I left my phone on my seat. And then we come in here, go and take you out the back. Okay. Go for it, look extra on the top.
Well, come on, it's still nice. When I say it's just mean.
Leave my phone.
Me think it's sure. So me me think it's sure so me never take up our phone a while ago.
Oh,
Yeah.
wait. Better yet, record this. Like this. Put this out there instead.
Oh, okay.
Alright, so first we are gonna do some little arm string stretch. First go down.
Okay.
Down. Alright, Kelly. Go on. May I shoot. Alright.
Please, man. And then after that, when turn off face man say, coach. Honestly, I kind of feel a little bit uncomfortable.
Wait, man. Don't say it, man. Don't get into it. Just go on, observe and watch what go on. Ready now? Me stop laugh. Alright, so we are gonna do some little arm swing stretch now. So down. No man, come down, man. Yeah. Down. Right.
Okay.
Alright, go down. Come down some. Down. Come down. Come on, come down some more, man. Don't be afraid. Yo, this is not me, bro. Alright, come again. Dirty
You're a
man.
dirty man.
Alright, me a dirty man.
You are a dirty man.
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright, yeah, me a dirty man.
Yes, but I'm a dirty man.
Alright. Come down. Down. Come down some more. Alright. Don't be afraid. Alright, ready now. No. Alright. Down. Come down some more, man. Don't be afraid.
Okay.
Alright. Come down.
Down
Yeah.
like this.
Alright, tell her what. Just give me some light jogs. But don't yourself. Like your foot. Put up your foot. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So you're gonna go so. No, man. Watch out, you have to go so, Brittany, man. You know better. So, drive it. All right. So give me 4 trees.
Yo, let me. Yo, no man, start. Attack more, you know. No, use left foot, brother. Yo, keep the ball out there, brother. Left foot. Recording now and action.
Oh, yeah, dirty man. You are one of them.
Wait, they no jump teeth. No jump teeth so fast. No for so fast. Not so fast. Oh, we did them. We pick up him back. When we did them, we make start him half back. When we did it. Run him back there. Let me see. Tell me when we did it. Don't move. Cause you're going at the camera. All right, hold on there. I realized that camera right there, so we can't really move. So if you're there right or so. You're going right in the camera. You're going to block me like, right? You know, don't move, man. Just say this, man. Just stay.
Yeah, man, because there's a thing called feel of view where you just know like really and truly at the side camera. You know, looking at it at the side. And next one, the right across the shoulder.
And to show you back of my head to a small angle on your face.
Right, so you can't come so. You can go so, but not too much so. Because that depends on you.
Just be up there and say camera did it.
Yeah, you can go so, but not too much. Cause that.
That's so rock comes.
Yeah, open.
You're turn up attack out and ready.